Untangling the mystery, the power of detangling spray. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll unravel the secrets behind a very special product, the Detangling Spray. This is not just a bottle of liquid, it's a magic potion for your hair. Stay tuned as we explore what a detangling spray is, how it works, and why it's a must-have in your hair care routine. Let's dive into the world of hair care and detangling magic. A detangling spray is a hair care product that you apply to your hair to make it easier to comb or brush through. It's specially formulated to smooth out the knots and tangles in your hair, making your hair care routine a breeze. This spray is suitable for all hair types, from straight to curly, and it's particularly a lifesaver for those with long or damage-prone hair. It's not just about detangling. It also provides moisture and protection to your hair strands. What makes a detangling spray so effective? It's all about the ingredients. Most detangling sprays contain conditioning agents like oils or silicones that coat the hair strands, making them slippery and less likely to tangle. They also often include proteins and vitamins to nourish your hair and leave-in conditioners to keep it hydrated. Some variants are infused with natural extracts like aloe vera or green tea, adding an extra layer of nourishment and protection. Using a detangling spray is super simple and can be a game-changer in your hair care routine. Here's how to do it. 1. Start with damp or dry hair. You can use the spray on freshly washed hair or as a quick fix on dry hair. 2. Spray it on. Focus on the areas with the most tangles, usually the ends and the nape of the neck. 3. Gently comb through. Use a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush to gently work through the knots. 4. Style as usual. Once the tangles are out, you can go ahead and dry, style, or simply let your hair be. Detangling sprays are not just about getting rid of knots. They come with a host of other benefits. Protection from heat and environmental damage. Many sprays contain ingredients that shield your hair from the harsh effects of heat styling and outdoor elements. Moisturization and nourishment. The conditioning agents and vitamins in the spray keep your hair hydrated and healthy. Enhanced hair texture and appearance. Regular use can lead to smoother, shinier, and more manageable hair. And there you have it. The detangling spray is not just a product. It's your partner in combating knots, protecting your hair, and keeping it healthy and beautiful. We hope this video has shed light on the wonders of detangling sprays and how they can transform your hair care routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep shining and keep your hair tangle-free.